Hi there, my name is Autumn Van Cleave-Brown and this is presentation 1. And the problem I chose was to explain an addition problem that a student answered. She was given this addition problem, 12 plus 29 plus 88 plus 11, and she immediately answered 140. And when asked how she figured out that problem, she said she simply added 12 and 88 and got 100 for that sum, and then added 29 and 11 and got 40 for that sum, and added those two together and got 140. So now we need to figure out which properties this student used in figuring out that problem. Did she use the associative and commutative properties? Did she use associative and additive identity? Or did she use commutative and additive identity, or distributive and additive inverse? So let's go over each of those. The first one is the associative property of addition, which means if you're given parentheses in an addition problem here, it doesn't matter the order that you add them up in. So A plus B plus C in parentheses will give you the same answer as A plus B in parentheses plus C. So the order doesn't matter. The next property to discuss is the commutative property, and this one states that A plus B equals B plus A. So you'll get the same answer if you add A plus B that you'll get when you add B plus A. Order doesn't matter. The next property is the additive identity, the choice that we're given. The additive identity is 0. So 5 plus 0 will give you 5. 1059 or any number plus 0 will give you that number. So you can add 0 to any number and that number will keep its identity. We didn't add 0 in this problem, so we know it's not the additive identity problem. The next choice we're given is the distributive property. Let's see if I can get this in the camera, which states that A times B plus C in parentheses will give us the same answer as A times B plus A times C. We didn't multiply anything, we didn't have parentheses in this problem, so it's clearly not that one. And the final option is the additive inverse. So additive inverse is a number that you add, let me get that straight, a number that you add to something in order to get 0 for the answer. An example is 5 plus negative 5 equals 0, so the additive inverse of 5 will be negative 5. We didn't add any negatives, our goal wasn't to have the sum of 0, so we know it was not the additive inverse. So in this problem, 12 plus 29 plus 11, when the student added 12 plus 88 and 29 plus 11 to get 140, she used the associative and the commutative properties.